Welcome back to the FA Scat channel, guys. As you can see, we have a ZL1 add-on package here that we're going to be unboxing. Alright, guys. What we have here is going to be your Stealth ZL1 add-on wicker bill for the rear spoiler of my vehicle. I went with the polished end to get a nice clean look. And I also went with the black hardware kit right here. This is the black hardware kit. And I got the riveter tool here as well to make things easier from ZL1. Let's open this up. You're just gonna insert this right here on this end. You're gonna thread it. Let's thread this first. There we go. All set here. Alright, and this is going to be your hardware kit right here, guys. This is going to be the center screw and then the out. Just like that. And then of course, this is going to be your rivet right here. Alright guys, if you guys are doing this by yourself, I do recommend you guys use some painter's tape to help you align this to the back of the spoiler. Alright, the first thing you want to do is basically find your center. Obviously here is easy. The camera is basically your center. Just follow that right there and try to get that straight. Alright, another thing that you want to do is make sure that this edge right here is aligned with the top edge of your spoiler. That's going to allow you to leave a nice gap in the bottom. You want to leave a nice gap on the bottom because if you don't, the wicker bill is going to end up scratching your paint when you're going at high speeds and it's creating a downforce. Alright, but I think I found the center here. I'm just going to grab a marker, mark that, and then we can start our holes. Alright, I got the marker now. It's time to mark this at its center so then we can start drilling that first hole. Alright. We got our first hole. Time to remove this and drill our first hole. All right, so for this, you're gonna need a 3/8 bit to drill on the spoiler. All right, let's see if the rib nut fits in there. All right, once you guys got your hole, you're gonna screw on that rib nut all the way through to the end. You're gonna put it on there and you're gonna squeeze at least 1.5. 1.5 should be more than enough. There you go, that's secure, that's not gonna go anywhere. All right, now you're gonna take your hardware, put the wicker bill in there, and screw it on. Again, this would be easier if you have another person to help you out, so then they can hold on to that wicker bill. All right, that's a pretty good fit there. I'm gonna tape it down and mark all the other holes, so then we can drill all the remaining holes. Interesting. All right, once you have all the rivets in there, what you want to do is take the center piece as well as the main piece and remove the protecting film from both sides. Once you guys have that and you guys are ready to install it, make sure you guys put both of them on there. The main piece is going to go first and then this is going to go in the middle after. Once you remove the protecting film, grab both of them and you're going to start off with the middle. Alright, so once you guys tighten everything down, this is what it's going to look like. It came out nice, guys. Look at that. It's looking nice. This was a pretty easy install. Just going to take your time and you'll do great. It's pretty good. I think I did pretty good. Let's take a quick look at the car. Massive Brembos right there. Aggressive front look. You got that B decal on top of the roof. And now we got the Zl1 Wicker Bill right here. But that is going to be it for this one, guys. Like always, I appreciate all my supporters. To my new subscribers, thank you. If you haven't subscribed yet, please consider subscribing. As we do have multiple mods coming up, so definitely stay tuned. I think you guys are going to like it. But as always, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Share, like. Yeah, that is it for this one, guys. I'm going to catch you on the next one. Peace.